What is good, guys? Welcome back, and today we're gonna be playing some Royal High. Okay, oh my god, Millie! Oh god, people are already starting to recognize me. I guess I'll get some breakfast, and just, space cereal, I'm gonna try this. Get some, food and stuff, start our day. Here! Nice to meet you, Joy. Nice to meet you, Joy. No. Oh, my food is ready. Ooh. Okay, so don't mind the stuff down here. That's just my recorder. Nice to meet you too. Can I sit with you? Can I sit with you? You too. Okay, sure. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have some coffee. Coffee's just good. Oh my lord. So, I'm not thinking... I'm gonna do my hair. Should I have it like this? No, not that. I think we should just keep it in a bun. I'm just gonna keep it like down. Oh, I need to go grab my computer book. I still have breakfast left, but I'll leave it later. Okay, wait. Let me just get a coffee. Never mind. Okay, let me just close the chat. Let me go to my locker. Okay, what was it, a computer book or... Okay, I think it's better just have them all just because you don't need to do anything or anything. Oh, there's a guy there. Does he need a friend? Oh! Excuse me, man. I don't think you should treat a lady like that. I'm gonna sit right here at the blue. Hey, Joy. Okay, we are having a sleep over tonight. Summer and you are invited. And you are invited. I hope I spelled that right, but, I enjoy in the cafe. Okay, well, I'm probably gonna fail this class because I'm a really slow typer. Well, not that slow, just when you have to type it exactly like something, it's pretty hard. Swimming pool. No full stop. Okay, so I think this game is okay.
It's 6:15.
Well, I like it, just sometimes it can get boring. Mixing potions in chemistry is easy. Okay. I don't think it is easy. I think it is easy because I find it hard. Chemistry is really hard. I already did all of my homework. Yeah, so I already did all of my homework. An A! That's actually not that bad. Oh, go take the elevator down. Okay. So people... Oh, don't mind the crunches. I'm just having some chips. I got an A. I got an A. I'm gonna put a smile. So, art class. I'm the worst at it. I either get B's or D's. I'm joking. Okay, so we're gonna be playing this. Oh, damn it. Welcome to art class, royal students. Choose your own canvas and. Oh, well then. Okay, I'm gonna grab out my paintbrush. Go light blue. Did I do that right? Let me just do it all blue. Until I do red here. Red here. Sorry about background noises. Is that how you do it? No. My gosh. Oh no. I'm gonna fail this class so bad. Okay, so 2 down. Down. I need a really light blue. I need some white. 1, 2, 3. Come on, that's gotta be done. Okay. Oh, hey. Joy. Joy, I think, is my best friend. Joy! Want to be besties? Want to be besties? Oh, great. I got an F. Well then. I don't remember what I got. Oh my goodness! I thought these were real flowers. I can literally walk through them. That is creepy. So guys, I'm going to show you around. I'm going to show you where, like, the cafeteria. This is the cafeteria. There's 2 line-up stations. I don't know why everyone's hanging around here. Music. I hate music. Music is just like my jam. Where did you get that kind of hair from? Oh, everyone loves the hair. RUIYETUIYUOP. P-O-O-P-S-A-P-P-O-D-S. P-P-P-O-D-S. Why you always lying? Why you always lying? I love my hair because it has like dark blonde streaks. Not unless I should change it to like this or something. Ooh, that one's good. Ugh, too short. It's so hard when you've got so many choices to pick from. Let me see this one. Should I have this one, guys? Leave a comment below. I think I have this one. Now I'm gonna stick to this one because this one is just me. You need to get your chemistry book from your locker for the next class. Thank you. Wait, I have a crown? I'm going to wait until... Oh, yes. Well, I never saw you in music. Oh, I did go. Oh, I did go. I thought you really liked music. I do. Oh, chemistry. Chemistry and chemistry dysfunction. Oh god. Okay, red. Excuse me. Red and yellow. Oh, it's not, it's mixed up. Well, I think I'm lagged. Okay. This is weird. So, I'm just going to leave and go pick out my prom dress. I'll just stick it in the mask. So, I'm going to be wearing this hair. I'm going to have skirts. I'm going to wear this one, but it's going to be black. And I'm going to have outfits. Let me see. This one. Also, I'm going to have the famous heels. I love these heels. Black. Why did you skip class? I didn't. I just want to take a... I'm not. Oh, this girl's crazy. So I think I'm going to end it here. I hope you guys had a lovely string, and this is the next time you'll see me in this dress, ready for prom. Goodbye, over and out.